Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to download Steam on your computer, so let's start. So first let's go to Google and write Steam, and then let's click here on the first option that says welcome to Steam. Just click here. Here you will find all the page for Steam. You can check all the games that are available here. Now if you want to install one of them, you have to have Steam on your PC. For install Steam, just go to the top right corner here and you will find this green button. Just click here and you will find here the downloader that says install Steam on your Windows. So now you only have to do is click on the blue button and you will wait until the Steam setup is downloaded. Now you can install on your computer and now you can play all the games that are available on Steam. Of course, there are games, remember, that are on your PC that you have to buy. So depending on what you want, it's what you can do it on Steam. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.